Good.
I just hate it when you're trying to get a beer at the bar and it's just taking way too long. You left your girl in the back and you're worried other guys are talking to her.
Well, we've come up with a solution, a fully automated, user-friendly alcoholic beverage vending machine. This allows us to cut time in half and let patrons go to the bar and grab a beer in less than 5 minutes.
That was so quick. Our vending machines aren't just your average vending machine. They're unique because they fit into whatever the decor of your location is to match the vibe and ambiance. Vending machine.
Anywhere you go, there's a vending machine inside. For example, trash can? No. Vending machine.
Think it's a bush? No. Vending machine.
Average looking car? No. Vending machine. Yeah.
Average looking college student?
No, vending machine.
Research facility? Wrong. Vending machine.
Is that a duck? Actually, yeah, it's a duck.